Hi guys, this is Ritzy here and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I have this gorgeous nail art tutorial for you. I really love it and it's super easy and simple to do. So let's start. First, let's apply base coat all over our nails. For the snow design, let's apply 2 coats of sparkle polish. Now for the snow, draw the bottom part with white polish. Add some tiny dots all over the nail. Add some top coat and you are done. For the next design, first paint all your nail with white polish. Then 1 coat of glitter polish. And now with cherry red, let's paint 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines as a present. Add some top coat and you are done. For the Rudolph design, first paint all your nail with white polish. Then add 1 coat of glitter polish. Draw 1 big red circle as its nose, and over it I actually painted with glittery red polish. Then 2 small black dots as the eyes. Now draw the antlers with medium brown. Add some top coat and you are done. For the candy cane design, first paint all your nail with white polish. Then add 1 coat of glitter polish. And I actually draw the red parts with a cherry red polish, and over it I added a glittery red polish. Add some top coat and you are done. For the abstract tree design, first paint all your nail with white polish. Then add 1 coat of glitter polish. Now draw horizontal lines, first with green polish, then with glittery green polish, and then with white polish, and finally with golden nail polish. Now, before it dries, with a clean brush or toothpick, we are going to move vertically all the stripes that we just made. Then add some decorations with different rhinestones, add some top coat and paste a star at the top, and actually I painted that star with golden nail polish so it would look kind of fancy. Add some top coat and you are done. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell button below.